In order to replace the core in your Abus Padlock, take your blue tagged control key, insert it into your existing core. Turn the control key 10 degrees clockwise. Your old core will now come out. Remove the control key. Make sure you transfer the tailpiece from the old core into the new core. Using your control key, insert it into the new core. Turn the key 10 degrees clockwise. Reinstall the new core into the padlock. Turn the control key to the upright position and remove it from the padlock. Using your new operating key, verify function of your padlock. Once your job is complete, return the blue tagged control key using the included return shipping label.